Hey everyone, welcome back to See My Review, the channel where we unbox and review the hottest drops in the game. Today, I've got something fire. We're unboxing the Jordan 14 Retro Supreme Black. These kicks are serious heat, and trust me, sneakerheads, you're gonna want to stick around till the end of the video. This isn't just any pair of Jordans, this is a collab with Supreme, so you already know it's exclusive. Let's get into the details. The upper on these Jordan 14s is jet black with sleek silver accents that scream luxury. You've got that bold blue midsole with gray highlights and a clean black outsole that completes the aggressive yet refined look. The Supreme branding adds that limited edition vibe, and the shoe overall has this mix of streetwear and athletic heritage that makes it perfect for both style and performance. Whether you're rocking these on the court or on the street, they're built to turn heads. Now here's the part you don't want to miss. If you're looking to grab these sneakers for yourself, the website I'm linking down below is having a limited time sale on these exact Jordan 14 Retro Supreme Black. That's right, a legit discount on one of the hottest pairs out there right now. All the details, including the purchase link, contact numbers, and social media handles of the website are available right in the description of this video. If you enjoyed this unboxing and want more reviews like this, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover looking for high-quality footwear and trendy apparel, unbox.com is a must-visit destination. This online store has built a reputation for offering a wide range of stylish sneakers, from classic must-haves to the latest releases. Whether you're into iconic brands or exclusive designs, unbox ensures you get premium quality products without the hefty price tag. One of the standout features of this website is its affordable pricing. You don't have to break the bank to rock the freshest kicks. Plus, they prioritize authenticity, so you can shop with confidence knowing that every pair is crafted with top-tier materials and attention to detail. Shopping at unbox.com is a hassle-free experience thanks to their secure payment methods, ensuring that your transactions are safe and smooth. Their fast shipping means you won't have to wait long to unbox your new favorites, making it perfect for sneakerheads eager to get their hands on the latest drops. And if you ever have questions or concerns, their excellent customer service is always ready to assist, providing a seamless and satisfying shopping journey. Whether you're a collector, a casual wearer, or someone who loves staying ahead of fashion trends, unbox.com delivers on quality, affordability, and reliability. If you're looking for a go-to place for sneakers and fashion essentials, this site is definitely worth checking out. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from See My Review. Drop a comment below letting me know what you think of these Supreme Jordans and whether you'd cop or drop. And remember, everything you need to buy these kicks or connect with the seller is in the description below. Until next time, stay fresh, stay laced, and keep reviewing.